Bozeman, Montana is surrounded by 18 million acres of wildlands. This is the place we call home, and the Oboz Tamarack Be-Dry waterproof shoe is one of our go-to hikers and backpackers. This leather and fabric upper breathes in the heat and keeps feet dry when things turn wet and cold. The extra room in the toes, generous fit, and supportive underfoot feel are what make this an incredibly capable hiking shoe. This medium to high volume shoe is narrow in the heel to eliminate slippage and reduce the chance for blistering. A generous forefoot and toe box provides ample room for your toes or thicker socks. This leather and fabric shoe features breathable mesh panels, a supportive external heel counter, and a protective toe cap. At Oboz, each and every Be-Dry waterproof breathable membrane is tested to be 100% waterproof. This shoe is also treated with a durable water-repellent finish. Our proprietary O-Fit insole is made up of 3 different densities of EVA foam, which provides cushioning and underfoot support. The end goal of this insole is to place your foot in a neutral position and to give you superior fit, feel, and performance. Our Granite Peak midsole is built to be supportive and protective. If you're tired of feeling roots and rocks underfoot, then this is your solution. The midsole features EVA for comfort and cushioning, and a TPU chassis for maximum torsional stability. Deep trail gripping lugs provide reliable traction as well as mud shedding abilities. The topo map on the bottom of this outsole features Granite Peak, which is the tallest mountain in Montana. Ideally suited for rugged trails and heavy loads, the Granite Peak bottom package is stable and protective even when the going gets rough. Long or short hikes, light or heavy loads, the Tamarack will become your favorite trail companion.
Hey everyone, I'm Adam with Merrell. I want to talk to you about my favorite hiking boot, the Moab 2 Mid Waterproof. This boot is awesome and I think you're going to love it as well. It's known for its out-of-the-box comfort, so as soon as you put your foot in it, you're going to get that Merrell wow moment and just want to go hit the trails. So let's talk about what makes it so great. When we look at the outsole of this boot, we've got a Vibram outsole, so it's super grippy, super durable, so when you're hitting the trails, they're wet, they're muddy, you're going to be gripping just fine, and it's going to last you for years. In the midsole here, we have our Merrell air cushion right under the heel. So it's essentially a little cutout, like if you took an ice cream scoop right to the foam, put another layer right over it, it creates a little trampoline effect for that heel. Feels amazing right underfoot. Getting into the upper here, we've got a nice performance suede that's going to be really durable. It's going to shed dirt, clean up nice. And we also have this silicone stability band here that wraps around both sides of the foot. So when you've got a light to medium pack, you're going to be supported in that boot. It features our M-Select Dry waterproof membrane, which is both breathable and waterproof. So even though this boot looks really meshy, it allows your foot to sweat and that sweat will evaporate out of the boot, but it does not allow water into the boot. This boot features our typical Merrell fit, which is going to be snug in the heel, precise over this instep, and really roomy in that toe box. So it's an anatomical fit, and it's comfortable right out of the box, so you can gear up and hit the trail today.
Hi guys, Todd with Timberland here today to talk to you about the Mount Madison collection, which is available in men's, women's, and kids. This collection has been a family favorite for years, offering a waterproof boot to keep you dry for miles and miles, whether on the trail or in the city. This collection offers outsoles made from recycled rubber material, a waterproof timber dry membrane to keep your feet dry and wick moisture away from your foot, and our anti-fatigue footbed to keep you comfortable for all those miles on the trail or in the city. Check out the Mount Madison collection when you're looking for your next pair of hiking boots or casual shoes to take you out on the trail or across the city.